I can't say exactly after Shindur, but the thing is that this is for quite some time. Government of India giving emphasis that we should have our own cyber security system. But sometimes it is uh, technologically very sophisticated for us to adapt the situation, and sometimes financially is also very heavy. So that's why we ask CA and other department concerning the transmission regulation that the northeastern state and all the SLDCs should be technically and financially supported, including training of manpower also, because this is very serious in nature, because we never know, as our transmission lines depends on various softwares and all these things. So as software is there are chances of cyber attack also.
So some states face the threat.
Actually, some states they got something, but it will be premature for me to conclude that that was particularly done by any person, or that is a local issue there. But focus is going towards this direction.